Hello everyone, so your favorite YouTuber is back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a little year in review type of thing, because I have not done this one in 1 year, as you can see right there. Um, yeah, a lot has changed. Now, of course, this year, 2022, I did not gain as many as 2021. 2021 I gained like 600. This year I only gained like 100, I think. I'm not sure what I started off with. I think I started off with like 700 subscribers. Then I got up to yeah, I got 800 around like January something. So anyways, let's go into this. So, of course, the year started off with drastically different content cuz yeah, get the pun, drastic. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I used to make a lot of Dinosaur World videos. I don't know if any of them still watch my videos. I don't know. Now it's mostly NASCAR, but yeah, I used to make a lot of Dinosaur World videos, as you can see right here. Yeah, Dinosaur World is still alive a year ago. It's dead now, but it used to be alive. So, yeah. I don't really know what to do. Maybe I'll go back and like look at some of these videos. Okay, I like that thumbnail right there. That was one of my favorite thumbnails. I also like, yeah, the NASCAR, but that's a little bit different. Um, I used to do a lot of Dinosaur World, as you can see, because that would get me views. I wanted views. Now I do not really care about views, because you see the thing with YouTube, when you try too hard, you get nowhere. But when you just don't care and you just do what you love, then you get somewhere. And that's what's been going on right now for me. So anyways, let's go back and look at alright, Dinosaur World is I don't even know how to pronounce it anymore. Is this all I used to do? This is boring. Uh, oh yeah, Fortnite. I did Fortnite. I think I did Fortnite earlier this year too. NASCAR. Yeah, yeah. These videos you see, because back then, if if NASCAR, it's very hard to go off NASCAR content. It's very easy to go off dinosaur content, but for NASCAR, it's very hard for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, back to 2022. So yeah, 2022 was not as good as 2021 in any way possible. But see, the thing with 2022 is I gained more support, as you can see, as we go over and over all of these videos. Playing as Tyrannosaurus. Okay, yeah, this is where I start to. Actually, that thumbnail right there is pretty good. This is where I start to lose ambition. Like Dinosaur World Mobile, but in slow motion. um, yeah, that was where I started to lose a lot of faith. Wait, I want to hear. Oh yes, my favorite video of all time. Cat farts and destroys the universe. So stupid. It's not funny. That should not be funny. I had to put in the dinosaur. Alright, anyways. Then there's, of course, if Dinosaur World Mobile was a Minecraft. The stupid music. Oh, I even got the. Oh, this is actually really well made. Oh my. Actually, that was not well made. Yeah. Oh yeah, I predicted this. A Therizinosaurus was added to Dinosaur World Mobile. And if you go a little bit farther in time, that City World Tour, I remember that. If you keep on going. Cat farts on cat, then destroys the world. So stupid. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. New Prior Extinction. I'm still doing Prior Extinctions. Project Prehistory that died. What? Yeah, and then here it is. New Fair Xenosaurus, because I predicted it. It was pretty epic. So then this is where I start to quit YouTube. Actually, I want to show it. Yeah, it only took 2 times. Or no, 2 laps? Oh my god, the same music. I mean, I like the music, but it's a little annoying. Oh, I hit the wall. I don't remember this, or some of this. Oh my god, this music! Oh, this is epic. Yeah, that was a really good finish. I remember that race. I was really proud of myself. And people say Dover isn't good either. And oh yeah, this is one. I thought this was pretty good. Dizzy Speedway. Last up chaos. Did I never? Oh, I never published that. Oh, whatever. All right. And there were a lot of other things. There were NASCAR 2023 driver predictions. Yeah, let's look back. Ross Chastain, yeah. Austin Cindric, yeah. Austin Dillon, yeah. Kevin Harvick, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Kyle Larson. Brad Keselowski. Corey LaJoy. NANI? I hate this. I hate this. But, I mean, that's kind of right. Yeah, that was right. Yeah. 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 I'm not watching that anymore. That one sucks. Yeah, there was... And then this is where, of course... I think this was where it started building up again. Because I kept on doing the dinosaurs, but not as much. And then right about... Yeah, the Return to Dinosaur World. That was my best attempt. The 18 M&M's Toyota. Cat Fortune destroys the universe. Spinosaurus on a Rock really ran out of ideas. Oh my god. The end of Dinosaur World. Jeez. Video test. Final Halloween car. Trying Lost Chastain Roll Ride. That was my last big video that got like over 1,000 views, I think. And then this is where FedEx Cup Series starts up. So this is where I get a lot of my newer subscribers from. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are chaotic. When me and the 11 did a backwards finish. I did 2023 predictions again. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are funny. Yeah, and I even put those like little emojis. I like that. I don't know. People say it's cringy, but I like it. There's NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are epic. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are silly. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are rad. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are dumb. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are exciting. Heat 5 lobbies are mayhem. NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are awesome. Then there was the Cobra Motorsports Tour, my favorite video of all time, is Joe Gibbs Racing Christmas. He even loves that video. He loves it. Then there's, of course, NASCAR Heat 5 lobbies are back. And that's where we leave off. I don't know if that's my final video. Or no, that's not my final video. This is the final video of 2022. Probably. But yeah, that's basically a summary. I mean, I didn't really have a point of this video. I just wanted to react to stuff. But thank you all for watching, and have a good day.